Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here we have to find the About phone. Let's enter it. Now we have to tap on Backup and Restore option and scroll down to the whole Google Backup section. And as you can see, here we've got the Backup account option. If you cannot for some reason tap on it, then it means that you've got the whole backup option turned off. So as you can see right now, I cannot tap on backup account. So first of all, you have to tap on backup my data and tap on the switcher. So now we can enter the backup account finally. And make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And as you can see from this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. I've got it saved, so after entering, just tap on next. And here we have to enter the password, so obviously I have to do it out of the screen. Okay. Let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it and you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, but let me tap on accept because it will appear on the full screen just like here. So here we've got the information that we are able to use 15 GB of Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings and text messages. Of course, if you want to, you can tap on more details to read about that. What's more, here we've got the info that your device will backup data automatically, will store it securely, and you will be able to manage your backup easily. So right now from this step you can either turn on the backup option right now just by tapping here, or if for some reason you don't want to do that, just tap on not now. You will just come back to this backup and restore section, and if after some time you will decide that yes, right now I want to backup my data, just come back here, tap on backup account, pick the account on which you'd like to backup the data, and as you can see, we've immediately got back to this step. So here, just tap on turn on, and as you can see, actually it is active. What's more, here you can decide also if you want to turn on or off the automatic restore, which means that if you will reinstall the app, your device will restore backed up settings and data. So actually this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.